Today, I'm going to show you how to model Roblox characters in Blender fast, using a simple, beginner-friendly workflow that is perfect for blocky Roblox-style avatars. If you want to make a Roblox character from scratch, this method keeps things clean, easy to control, and great for learning the basics of character modeling. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender and Roblox content. All right, let's jump in. First, open Blender and start with a fresh scene. We're going to use a cube as the base for the character because Roblox characters are built around simple block shapes. To add the cube, press Shift and A, then go to Mesh and choose Cube. The cube will appear right in the center of your scene. This is now your starting block for the body. With the cube selected, press S to scale it. Move your mouse to resize it, then left-click to confirm the size. If you want to turn the cube into a torso shape, you can scale it on just one direction by pressing S, then pressing an axis key like X, Y, or Z. That lets you stretch or shrink the model only where you need it. For example, X changes width, Y changes depth, and Z changes height. If you need to move the cube, press G. If you need to rotate it, press R. These three shortcuts will save you a lot of time while building your Roblox character. Next, press Tab to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode is where you can actually change the geometry of the cube. Once you're in Edit Mode, you can press 1 for Vertex Select, 2 for Edge Select, or 3 for Face Select. This gives you different ways to shape the object. You can click on parts of the mesh directly, or press B to use Box Select if you want to grab multiple points at once. Then use G to move the selected vertices, edges, or faces. Use S to scale them, and R to rotate them if needed. This is how you refine the shape and make each body part look more intentional instead of just like a plain cube. Now, repeat this process to create the rest of the character. Press Shift and A again, go to Mesh, and add another cube for the head. Then add separate cubes for the arms and legs. Keep each body part as its own object because that gives you much more control later. Move each piece into place with G and scale them with S so they fit the Roblox style. The head should usually be a little larger and sit above the torso. The arms and legs should be thinner and longer than the body, but still keep that simple blocky look Roblox is known for. A great shortcut for symmetry is the Mirror Modifier. If you want to model one arm and automatically create the other side, select the side body part you want to mirror. Then go to the Modifiers tab, which has the wrench icon. Click Add Modifier, then choose Mirror. Blender will create a mirrored copy on the opposite side of the character. Make sure the mirror axis is set correctly, usually on the X-axis. If the pieces need to stay joined in the center, you can turn on clipping so the vertices do not separate. This is one of the fastest ways to keep your Roblox character symmetrical and clean. After the shape is complete, it's time to give your character some color. Select each object one by one, then go to the Material Properties tab, which uses the sphere icon. Click New to create a material. Under Base Color, choose a simple flat color that matches the Roblox style. You can use classic skin tones, bright shirt colors, or simple blocky clothing colors depending on the character you want to make. If you want to add a texture instead, click the small dot next to Base Color, choose Image Texture, and then click Open to load your image. You can apply different materials to the head, torso, arms, and legs to make the character look more complete and more like a real Roblox model. And that's the basic workflow for modeling Roblox characters in Blender fast. Start with a cube, shape it in Edit Mode, duplicate or add new cubes for each body part, use Mirror for symmetry, and then add materials for the final look. Once you understand this process, you can create a wide range of Roblox-style characters much more quickly. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.